case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a seminal 1902 legal battle flaring from the icy waters of Pyramid Harbor, Alaska, to a courtroom in San Francisco, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit dealt a significant blow to the concept of one-sided contract modification. In the case of Alaska Packers Association v. Domenico, they cemented the principle that renege of an existing contract without due consideration holds no legal ground. The duel was sparked when a group of fishermen hired by the Alaska Packers Association, APA, a fishing company, decided to abandon their assigned duties halfway through the season. Initially contracted for $50 or $60 per season and 2 cents per salmon caught, the fishermen unilaterally halted work upon reaching Alaska, demanding an increased wage of $100 for their services. Caught in a bind, an APA representative on the ground negotiated a forced compromise, agreeing to the raise. But the tale took a legal turn once the season ended. Back in San Francisco, the APA refused to cough up the newly negotiated pay, opting instead to release the original contract amount. Outraged at this perceived betrayal, the spurned fishermen took to the courts, emerging victorious in the initial district court ruling. However, APA appealed the judgment, shooting up the dispute to the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, which promptly reversed the lower court's decision. The appellate court highlighted that by arbitrarily disrupting their original contractual obligations, the fishermen had forced the APA's hand. The improvised agreement for inflated pay lacked the essential legal ingredient of consideration, making it void. The decision sent a clear message. Allowing such disruptive behavior would incentivize disreputable conduct, undermining the sanctity of contractual obligations. Justice was served, not only with a return to the original contractual terms, but also with a precedent confirming the inviolability of agreements and discouraging bad faith breaches.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class